powerful interests at stake in retaining the current system, and it's gone too far.
Defend the students!
Defend the students!
Defend the youth!
Defend the youth!
Call off your troops!
Call off the troops!
Hi there, this is Ruhel Ahmed. I used to be a student of Northumbria University, Newcastle. So I'm here today to support the students of Bangladesh. I used to be a student of Bangladesh as well, and I know how it works in Bangladesh, to be honest. I myself used to be a student leader, participated many extracurricular activities in leadership activities. Currently, whatever going on in Bangladesh, it is not something new. It is something going on for a long period of time. Maybe most of the time people were not speaking about these things. Now when people start talking about these things, the government starts showing their real face, to be honest. And you can understand over 100 students are died now for last couple of weeks. And that shows how bad this government is doing. It's a very peaceful movement, to be honest. It was a reform quota movement. It was not like abolishment of the quota. In Bangladesh, for public sector jobs, you need to compete with so many students. It is always competitive, and it is already very difficult for a student to get a public sector job. So before you are participating in the exam, you are knowing that 56% of the jobs are already reserved for students who are relative of the war veteran, some other quota as well. Whatever remains, it is going to be very competitive for other students. I can remember I used to be a part of that movement as well in 2018, and we started talking about that. We started doing protests. At the end of the day, current Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina in 2018 in Parliament, she said they are going to abolish the whole quota system. But all on a sudden, in 2024, quota system is back again. And now again, students started the protest. And eventually, the Prime Minister started talking, something which the students were not expecting. She said that those students who are protesting, they are Rajakar, which is a very, bad term to use for students, to be honest. Rajakar is more like collaborator for Pakistani army in 1971. For the independence, people died, and those who collaborated with Pakistani armies, they are known as Rajakar. So students became very angry knowing that Sheikh Hasina, the Prime Minister, told them that they are Rajakars, and they started, the movement started spreading all over the country. Every university, every student started talking about this, and eventually you can see they started, killing people, killing students from class 7 to university students, no matter what the age, everyone is getting killed in Bangladesh. And since the last 2 or 3 days, the internet connection and everything is totally shut down. We do not know what's happening there. The press in Bangladesh is not independent as well. So whatever information we are getting, we are not accepting those information because we know those informations are not correct, to be honest. And I don't know what's going on currently. We heard that there is a decision was made today by Supreme Court saying that the quota system is reformed now. But it is not about quota anymore, to be honest. It is beyond quota now. When a government, a ruling party, let people die like this, let young people die like this, there should be some more changes, to be honest. I'm not talking about reforming the government. I'm not talking about the Prime Minister to step down. I'm saying there should be something done internationally so that this government do not do these things again and again. What I want now, some real challenge for the current ruling party, so that they do not dare to do these things with students in future as well. Another thing, the ruling party has a student wing as well, which is Bangladesh Chhatra League. Whenever people start talking about something they feel they need to speak, Bangladesh Chhatra League start hurting people. They take the law in their hands and do whatever they want. I want Bangladesh Chhatra League to be banned in Bangladesh so that they do not dare to do anything in future against the general students.
That means how do you say, the bastion of autocracy, break it down, burn it down.
Woo!